Welcome back to my channel. Today we are finally in Venice, Italy, and this is our first time ever here. We're going to show you what Venice is really like. No filters, no edits. Di ko kay mahal ni. Klaro kayo. Just the real experience. So if you're planning a trip, this video is for you. We are in Ponte de Cristina Bridge. Huh?
Well, I'm taking picture of bridge.
Na naman tayo picture bridge. Let's look for the Marco. Say hi guys. Dadang Hinday.
Hi.
Daddy.
Hola.
We are walking in the alleys of Venice.
So I don't know where we're going, but we're just following Mr. Bald.
Mr. Worldwide. Mr. Worldwide.
At this girl store and whatnot. Mom and I are slow as usual. Might be because they're women, but you know.
Okay, my first impression, Venice is like stepping into a postcard. There are no cars, just boats everywhere. The buildings, the water, the tiny streets, it honestly feels unreal. But let me tell you, getting around is already an adventure. We're checking out.
Actually, I'm going the right way.
Oh, that was the right way after all. But this is the gondola ride. I don't think we're doing that because it's expensive. But we can check the price for you. I think there's a sign here that indicates the price. Oh, so cute! Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. So cute. Hotel Cabalito. Hurry up, hurry up.
Hurry up, guys, we need to get there quickly. Old whites push green and hot. Hurry up, guys, we need to go quickly.
Ooh, we're here, Daddy. It's not too far, Daddy. Oh my gosh, this is nice.
I'm gonna take this picture.
Hello, everyone. The family is here in St. Mark's Square, and I'm gonna turn this camera here in a little bit to show you. It's really close to our hotel, probably like 5 minutes. Yeah, so that hotel is really recommended. It's really nice, very gorgeous. But this is what it looks like. Starting over here, I'm gonna do a 360. Hi guys. And that is the St. Mark's Square right there.
Closer that way. That's the bell tower.
Oh, let's walk closer.
Come on, there's a football store here.
There is.
It's a bit.
There's a what?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. And then there's restaurants in here in the plaza. We are in the St. Mark's Basilica, and we are in the St. Mark's Square. And there's a name for this tall building over here. I just couldn't remember, but I'll put the name in the somewhere here in the screen once I figure it out. But look at that gorgeousness. Dali, let's take pictures.
Hold on, let me take out my glasses.
Just busy taking pictures. And local time it's 7 o'clock here, so I think this is the best time because there's not a whole lot of tourists, and also there's a very like nice weather because the sun has already on this gelato and this place near right when we exit out of the St. Mark's Square. And I think they have some gelato inside too, so we're gonna go inside and check out because my kids are going to try different kinds of gelato. You always say busog, but you're gonna try. What do you think, Inday? Oh, they have cheaper one. What do you want? 2 scoops or 1 scoop?
Just 2 scoops.
2 scoops? Okay, which one? Decision. A cup?
Mango and peanut.
Mango and peanut. 2 scoops in a cup?
Peanut and mango.
2 scoops in a cup? Okay. 2 scoops in a cup, mango and peanut, and then? Huh? Tell him. That's it in there? And what's the second one? That's it? Oh yeah, I think I agree too. Hi, Sean and Franz. Sean and Franz.
Hello.
Hello, turn around. And then Inday.
Hello.
You enjoying your gelato?
Yep.
It's so awesome. Cariaton. Some nice Italian shoes. How much, Daddy? The crocodile one? 300?
850.
800? Oh my gosh, but they're really like known for well-made shoes made in Italy. Italian.
Mom.
I don't know. What you don't know, you don't know. Very interesting jewelry store.